Welcome back. We are going to be practicing dividing decimals. Remember what I tell you guys and what I've been telling you guys when we started back on multiplying decimals. If you know how to multiply, you can multiply with decimals. If you know how to divide, you can divide with decimals. Let me show you. 7 is I'm going to divide 99 and 96 hundredths, and I'm going to divide that by 7. 7 goes into 9 one time. 1 times 7 is 7. 9 minus 7 is 2. Move that 9 down. I now have 7 goes into 29. If I count by 7, 7, 14, 21, 28. That's 4 times. 4 times 7 is 28. Subtract it, I get a 1, and I'm bringing down my 9. Okay? 7 goes into 19 2 times. And 2 times 7 is 14. If I subtract it, I get a 5. I'm bringing down my 6. Okay? So now, 7 going into 56. I know that 7 goes into 56 8 times. And 8 times 7 is exactly 56, leaving me with a 0 and nothing more to bring down. Okay? So my problem's done, and I have a 1,428. It's not even 1,428. It's just this jumble of numbers. 1,428. What am I going to do with this? I'm just moving. This is where place value is extremely, extremely important. I'm moving it straight up. And there you go. 14 and 28 hundredths. My decimal goes straight up. It does not change positions. It goes straight up. Another way to look at it, boys and girls, is look at my swoop. 1, 2. That's my decimal. So look at my answer. 1, 2. There's my answer. There's my decimal. We're going to do 2 more problems to just reiterate the fact that if you know how to divide, you know how to do it with decimals. So let's look at the next one. 24 goes in to 151 and 2. Okay? So let's look at that. 24 goes in to 1 0 times. 24 goes into 15 0 times. How many times does 24 go into 151? Well, I got to figure that out. Let's say 24. Let's multiply it by 5 and let's see what happens. 5 times 4 is 20. 5 times 2 is 10. Plus 2 is 12. So I have 120. Let's see if I did it by, let's do it by 6. 6 times 4 is 24. 6 times 2 is 12. Plus 2 is 4. I have 144. So 6 is going to be my closest. 6 times 24 is 144. If I'm subtracting that, 1 cannot take away 4. It becomes an 11. 5 becomes a 4. 11 minus 4 is a 7. And then I'm going to bring back that 2. How many times? Then I'm going to put my decimal right up there because, again, it goes straight up. Okay? How many times does 24 go into 72? I don't know. Let's count. Let's try 24 times, let's do 3. 3 times 4 is 12. 3 times 2 is 6 plus 1 is 7. It goes exactly 3 times. 3 times 24 is 72. If I subtract that, I get a 0. There's nothing more to bring down. There's nothing more to do. And so my answer is 6 3/10. We're going to do one more. And the next one we're going to do is going to be a little bit different. So let's work through it. 72 1/10 divided by 5. 5 goes into 7 one time. 1 times 5 is 5. If I subtract 5 from 7, I get 2. And I'm bringing down my 2. 5 goes into 22 4 times. 4 times 5 is 20. If I subtract that, I get a 2. Bring down my 1. Before I move on, I forgot something. I need to move that decimal point right up. Okay, now I'm going to go back. 5 goes in to 21 4 times. 4 times 5 is 20. If I subtract 20 from 21, I get 1, but I'm lost. With my decimals, I can't have a remainder. And because I can't have a remainder, I need to do something. With decimals, remember, I can add as many zeros at the very, very end as I want. I can't move them in the middle. I can't move them in front. I can put as many zeros behind it as I need to behind that decimal at the very end. So now, instead of a 1, I have a 10. And 5 goes into 10 2 times. 2 times 5 is 10, giving me a 0 and nothing more to bring down. I don't have a remainder, and so my answer is 14 42 hundredths. Thank you very much, and I hope that you practiced with me and that you were able to get them correct.